Good day, everyone. My name is Carlos Pivinas from Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Block 1.7, and this is my activity portfolio in academic communication. For our table of content, Week 1 activity, the Career to Classroom Connection Writing, and for Week 2 activity, a very short story by Ernest Hemingway, and for the prelims milestone 1, the essay outline assignment, alphanumeric outline, activity 3, the peer evaluation in academic communication, and activity 4, the vision board. And for the final activity, which is the final essay, I explore how academic skills connect to the real-world career environment. Especially, I look at how writing a project reports relates to my future career in business. This helps me to realize that academic writing is not just for the classroom, but also a valuable tool in the workplace, especially for communicating ideas clearly and professionally. Activity 2, I gain a deeper understanding of the emotional depth and reality behind the wartime relationship, like the Hemingway story. The story was a very short but have a powerful, and it captured the rise and fall of a romance that could not survive outside the setting of war. This helps me see how extreme situation can shape humans' emotion and connection, and how those bonds may not last once the circumstances change. In Milestone 1, I created an outline for my topic on social psychology. This process helps me to realize how important it is to include a clear details and evidence for each idea before writing. At first, outlining felt like just another step, but as I worked through it, I saw how valuable it really is. It helps shape my thoughts, organize my ideas, and my work clear and more focused. In activity 3, the peer evaluation, I realized it is not just about sharing my own ideas, but also about listening to engage with others. Through the process, I learned how to give and receive feedbacks in a respectful way and thoughtful way. In activity 4, the vision board. This allows me to visualize my goals, values, and dreams for the future. It was a creative way to reflect on what I really matters to me and where I want to go in life, both personally and professionally. And for the final activity, while writing my final essay, I researched the topic of discrimination and how it affects on students' academic performance. This process helps me gain a deeper understanding of the issue, and discrimination can impact the student emotionally, mentally, and academically. It also improved my research and writing skills as I learned to support my ideas and with a strong evidence. So for all of that activity, one of my favorite activity that highlights to me is the final essay, which is one of my favorite activities was writing our final essay because it allowed me to explore my curiosity about discrimination. Through this process, I learned discrimination is how harmful aspect of human behavior that deeply affects individually, especially in educational settings. It helps me to think more critically about social issues and how important it is to promote equality and respect. Through this course, I learned how to express ideas in clearly, write academically, and communicate effectively. I improved my grammar, structure, and confidence in writing. Academic communication taught me that writing is not just about rules, but also about expressing understanding and purpose. So that's all, guys. Thank you.